Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change ringtone on iPhone Air. To change the ringtone, you should get to the settings. Now go to Sounds and Haptics, and then you can go down. Now you'll see ringtone. Click on it and you can change it to different ones, right? We can see different ones here. Even if we go to classic, then there's still a lot of them. And now let's see the reflection, because it has that weird button right here. When I click on it, there's more types of the ringtone. So let's turn the volume up a little bit. Need to go here. Okay, let's go to ringtone, and now when I click on that, this is the default one, right? So we can see there's lots of different options for the reflection. Other ones don't have these. It's just the reflection that has it, like lots of different options. Yeah, so that's basically it. There's also Tone Store that you can technically buy ringtones, which is also great, and you can also get your own ringtone, and there will be most likely a video about it on our channel, how to do it, how to create your own ringtone with GarageBand, because there's an app called GarageBand that lets you create your own ringtone very simply. And also there is an option to transfer ringtones from your computer to the iPhone, so that's also possible if you want a custom ringtone, but I think that selection is also quite good. So unless you really want your favorite song to be your ringtone, I think you'll find something for yourself here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.